And on that camera, how does it work? Let's say I'm scoping down the drain. I find this problem area that physical pipe needs to be replaced, maybe just in that area. Is there a GPS locator so you know exactly where to drill? Are you measuring by how many feet you put down the line and the direction it's going?
Great question. So the new cameras today, they have a zone that built into the head of the camera. So right behind the head of the camera, there's a special device on there, and that puts off a certain radio frequency that's picked up with another instrument, and we can not only tell exactly where it's at, but we can also tell how deep it is. And that allows us to be able to give options on what's going on. Because if it's 6 feet deep versus 2 feet deep, that's going to be a huge price difference. But yes, absolutely, that's exactly how it works.
Well, and if it was 6 feet deep, I would start to think after about 4 feet, this must be wrong. Yeah. Well, it can't be any deeper than this. This is radio frequency.
I've learned to just listen to my equipment. Every time I try to use my common sense or my brain, it might get us into trouble because the equipment's really good and very accurate.